We just finished this incredible farmhouse install in San Marcos with 2 custom retractable screen doors that solved a huge problem for this family. The poolside entry needed bug protection so parents could keep their doors open and still watch their kids safely in the pool. Our nearly invisible mesh gives them crystal clear sight lines while keeping every mosquito out. At the front entry, they wanted the same seamless protection without ruining their farmhouse charm. Both screens retract completely when not needed, so their beautiful doors stay the star of the show. The custom color match is so perfect you'd barely notice they're there until you try to get past them as a bug. Our slow close speed reducer means no slamming, and the ergonomic handles feel solid and reliable every single time. This San Marcos family now has bug-free fresh air throughout their home without compromising their farmhouse aesthetic. Visit apolloscreen.com/San Diego for your free consultation. Don't forget to subscribe.